my name is Sofia Lord-Kipanidze.
Hello, my name is Reginos Panagiotou.
Hello, my name is Anna. I'm from Belarus and I'm studying hotel management and hospitality industry in Alpine Center.
I'm studying hospitality and tourism industry.
My experience here in the college so far has been excellent. The teachers are amazing and we're learning a lot of new things.
The classes are great and my teachers are perfect. I've chosen to study in Alpine because I heard a lot of good comments about this college.
One day I understood that the hospitality industry is part of my life, so I was searching for a nice university, and by chance and by luck I found Alpine.
After I graduate the college, I'm very positive that I'm going to be able to climb the ladder in the hospitality industry and become a general manager.
Like this college, it's very friendly, multi-international, so you can meet a lot of friends and to have a great experience, a pleasure to study here.
I really like communication with people.